So in this quick video, I want to show you how to charge your Fire tablet for kids, no matter which model, the 7, the 8, and they probably made other ones that I don't even know. So when time comes to charge it, what you need to do is to go over here and you're gonna notice it has a USB Type-C port right over there with all the other buttons. So what we need to do is to get the cable and the charger that were included in the box. If you don't have them anymore, don't worry, you can purchase new ones. I'll put links in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. So in the box, it came with this kind of a cardboard and the charger is located down below if you didn't know. So open this. Here we have the charger brick. And we should also have the cable. USB Type A to USB Type C, because this is charging using USB Type-C. So plug the cable in the power brick like this. And now there's no specific order. You can go ahead, plug it in the tablet, or you can go and first connect it to your power outlet. So I have connected it to my power outlet, and now I'll go ahead, connect this USB Type-C cable to the port. And once you do this, if your tablet was turned on, you're gonna see right on the top over here where the battery icon is, a small lightning logo appearing on it, simply saying that it's now charging. So you don't have to do anything. You can actually continue using your tablet while it's charging. And yeah, after a while, the battery will be full. If your battery is completely dead, let's say nothing is working, the screen is black, well, it will take around 3.5 hours to charge, depending again on your model. This is just in my case. But obviously, if you still had a bit of battery, it will take less time. And you can also see down below on the lock screen, how many percent and also charging, just to confirm that you have connected it the right way. If this doesn't work, just make sure that the port over here, there's no lint, there's no debris, no food, no nothing on it, because with time stuff gets inside, and once you connect the cable, nothing is happening. So maybe with a toothpick, if you have one of these SIM eject tool, you can go ahead and just remove the lint or debris, dust, stuff like that that can go in it, and then try again and connect your cable. Hopefully this time it will work. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. Again, if you don't have a cable or a charger, I'll put links to Amazon, and I'll see you in the next video.